Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So we are at the front of the store in Home Goods, and I can literally tell you I could spend the whole day here. They don't even have all of the Christmas stuff out, and look at the shelves. Everything is so gorgeous. So I'm taking you with me. Let's go take a look. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And you guys who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, you know how much I love you guys. Now, this is probably a good opportunity for me to tell you guys that I do have a second channel, and it's called Simply Grace Lifestyle, and I would love for you guys to head on over there, check out the channel. It does show a little bit more of my home life. I'm just trying to build it up. I could use your support, so I can't wait for you to go over. Now, I am on the hunt for these reindeer. I absolutely love them, but they are so expensive. So I'm just gonna keep on looking. They're still putting stuff out. It's still early. I'm pretty sure I'll find something, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you guys at the end. guys, everything I'm showing you is literally in the front of the store. I'm not even past the first 2 aisles, I don't think. But hey, we have plenty of time, plenty of videos, guys. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.